Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on a PlayStation 3 without needing a PlayStation 3 controller. To begin, simply connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PlayStation 3 console using any standard mini USB to USB-A cable. This establishes an immediate wired connection, allowing your PlayStation 4 controller to act as a primary input device. It is a straightforward physical connection. It is important to understand a few limitations when using this method. The PlayStation 4 controller will only work in a wired capacity. Wireless functionality is not natively supported by the PlayStation 3 for this controller. Also, the PlayStation button on the controller will not activate the PlayStation 3's XROS media bar menu, so you will still need to use a different method for system navigation. Expect some game-specific compatibility variations. Once connected, your PlayStation 4 controller will typically register as a secondary player, often player 2, on the PlayStation 3. If you need it as player 1, simply ensure no other controllers are active when you plug it in, or adjust player assignments within the game itself. Always test basic movement and button presses within a game to confirm everything is working as expected before starting a full play session. This helps identify any issues quickly. For those seeking wireless play, a more advanced solution involves using specialized third-party adapters. Devices like the Cronus Max or certain Mayflesh dongles can bridge the gap, allowing your PlayStation 4 controller to connect wirelessly to the PlayStation 3. These often require a one-time setup process, sometimes involving a computer, to configure the adapter's settings. This significantly expands your gameplay options beyond the wired connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.